Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner multiplayer on PlayStation 5. First, make sure everyone involved has a strong internet connection to avoid any lag or disconnections during your session. It's also crucial that all players own a copy of SnowRunner on their PlayStation 5 consoles. Don't forget to update your game to the newest version, as this ensures everyone is on the same page and can connect smoothly. Finally, remember that a PlayStation Plus subscription is essential for online play.
Your rotation revolves around maintaining Bone Shield, a crucial defensive buff. Use Marrowren to build these stacks, aiming for at least 5. Death Strike is your primary self-healing tool, consuming runic power to recover health based on recent damage. Keep Blood Plague active on all enemies with Blood Boil for consistent damage and threat. Always stand in your death and decay for increased damage, healing, and haste, maximizing your effectiveness. Blood Death Knights possess a robust defensive toolkit. Vampiric Blood boosts your health and healing by 30% for 10 seconds. Icebound Fortitude provides a significant 30% damage reduction for 8 seconds. Dancing Rune Weapon mirrors your attacks and increases parry chance, while also reducing its own cooldown through Bone Shield consumption. Anti-Magic Shell is excellent for magic damage, absorbing incoming spells and generating runic power. Lichborn offers Leech and Fear immunity, further enhancing your survivability. When selecting talents, you'll choose between hero talent trees like Sandlane or Deathbringer, each offering distinct playstyle enhancements. Sandlane is often preferred for both Mythic Plus and raiding due to its strong offensive and defensive synergies. Prioritize gear with strength, stamina, haste, and versatility to maximize your effectiveness. Always communicate with your healers about incoming damage and your defensive cooldowns. Consistent practice in dungeons and raids will help you master the intricate timing and resource management of the Blood Death Knight.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.